Hi, Auntie Gadeng. Happy birthday. Enjoy your party. We love you. Bye.
Happy birthday po, Lola. I wish you good health and happiness and for more years to come. Hope to see you soon. Love you.
Lola, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang po sana is for you to have the perfect health and for you to be happy po always. And for you to have more birthday celebration like this po to come. God bless po. I love you. Happy Christmas din po.
Ready, set, go.
Happy Tuesday, lucky.
Lola Gading. Again.
Happy Tuesday, Gaji,
Lola
Gaji,
Gading. Again.
Lola, Gaji. Happy birthday to you, Gaji.
Lola. Happy birthday, Lola.
Gaji.
Gading. Happy birthday, Auntie. We love you. Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Oh, blow a kiss. Oh.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Ate Gading! Happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. At sana marami ka pang birthday na gaganapin. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, my dear sister. Sayang di kami makauwi, pero sa susunod na andyan na kami. We wish you a very happy birthday, good health, and God bless. Bye!
Hi Auntie, happy birthday po. Wish po namin sa inyo maging malakas pa at enjoy lang Auntie habang malakas pa. Enjoy lang yung life. Thank you po sa love. Kahit na minsan lang tayo magkita, nararamdaman ko po yung love nyo. Happy birthday Auntie.
Birthday, Auntie.
Pag uwi ko Auntie, hanap ka ng pattern ng diamond painting, igagawa kita. Yun ang pa-birthday ko sa'yo, Auntie. Happy birthday po. We love you.